So let me show you the best way to transfer wallet to exchanger in Binance. After you open the Binance, go to exchanger section. In the exchanger section, now go to asset. After you come to asset, tap on this deposit button. So after you come to this deposit button, tap on this search and search for the specific coin or specific token that you want to transfer from the wallet to exchanger. So for me, let's say I want to transfer USDT. Here is it. After you select the USDT, select the network. For me, I'll go with BNB network. After you select the BNB network, tap on this copy button. After you copy the address of the token you want to transfer, tap on this back arrow, back again. So now switch back to the Web3 wallet. So after you come to the Web3 wallet like this now, go to assets. So after you come to this asset, now scroll to down and search for the specific coin you want to transfer. So for me, I say it's USDT. I will select USDT. After you choose the USDT, now tap on this send button. So now from this option, now paste in the address you copy. Tap on this option. After you tap on the option, tap on this paste button. So now we paste in the address and tap on this done button. So after you tap on this done button, now go to continue. So from this option, now specify the amount you want to transfer. So I'll type in like 200 or 2000. After you specify the amount you want to transfer, just tap on this continue button. From now, the coin will be transferred into your exchanger from the wallet. And that's it, guys.